How long should I cook a 20-pound turkey in a 325 convection oven?
Hello, and welcome to today's cooking tutorial. In this video, we'll be answering the question, how long should I cook a 20-pound turkey in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the cooking process and will be ready to prepare a delicious turkey for your next feast.
Why use a convection oven?
First, let's discuss why using a convection oven is a great option for cooking a turkey. Convection ovens use a fan to circulate hot air around the food, which helps it cook more evenly and often more quickly than in a conventional oven. This means you'll get a perfectly cooked turkey with a beautiful, crispy skin in less time.
How to prepare the turkey?
Before we start cooking, let's go through the process of preparing your turkey. Make sure your turkey is completely thawed and patted dry. Season the turkey with your choice of herbs, spices, or marinades, and place it on a roasting rack in a roasting pan.
How long to cook the turkey?
Now, let's talk about the cooking time. In a convection oven, it's essential to reduce the cooking time by about 25% compared to a conventional oven. For a 20-pound turkey, the general rule is to cook it for 13 to 15 minutes per pound. So, in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven, you should cook your turkey for approximately 4 to 4.5 hours. Remember, the most accurate way to check if your turkey is done is by using a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh, without touching the bone.
Do I need to baste or tent the turkey?
In a convection oven, the constant airflow helps to keep the turkey moist, so basting isn't necessary. However, you may want to tent the turkey with aluminum foil if the skin is browning too quickly. Just make sure to remove the foil during the last 30 minutes of cooking to ensure a crispy skin. So there you have it. To cook a 20-pound turkey in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven, plan for about 4 to 4.5 hours of cooking time, and make sure to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer to ensure it's cooked through. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly cooked turkey.